Hi there, I'm Hafiza Sadaf Irshad. I'm currently doing cloud computing at UEL. Previously, I worked as junior software support engineer. Recently, I got opportunity to attend a fascinating lecture on data center sustainability delivered by Nabeel and Mark from Nomad Futurist. They provided a comprehensive overview about the challenges faced by data center in terms of sustainability and the innovative solutions they are using to tackle them, like switching to renewable energy. It got me interested in how technology and environment intersect, and I realized that how crucial it is for us as future profession in the tech industry. We need to categorize sustainability in our work because many organizations are now seeking cloud solutions that are not only efficient but also environmentally responsible. So this knowledge is very useful for my course and for my future career as well. So definitely it will help me to make a smart choices in cloud computing.